Welcome everybody. How you guys doing? Welcome to another analysis. We're gonna be here for the next um we're gonna be here for the next 47 minutes, I think. And today we're doing an exciting company. Make sure that if you are new here, if it's your first time, you give us a follow and you stay. You can catch me here every day, guys. I am learning about stock analysis and I am doing some stock valuations and analysis as well. So stay tuned and see what we have for you today. Today we've got an exciting company that we're just going to be previewing the company, seeing the business valuation, stocks valuation, do a little bit of analysis. So stay for that. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and you should also share and stay in the live. Okay. So let me just give me a second to just adjust my camera. It's a bit too big. I usually like it on the other side. I'm not so much used to having yeah, I usually like to have it here. Okay, so there we go. And so how is it going, guys? So today we're going to talk about Snap Inc. Usually the way I do my my live broadcast is I open some usually Market Watch. Market Watch usually gives us a snapshot of what's going on with the share price of any company that we have. So you can also go to Market Watch. Basically, these all of these figures that I will be talking about, or what I'm about to tell you, you'll find it on on the internet, and usually Snap Market Watch updates stock valuation for all most companies that are listed on a stock exchange. It it has stock price information on a daily basis. Snap Inc. stock outperforms competitors on strong trading day. So Snap Inc., the company that we're going to be talking about, had a strong trading day and it outperformed competitors. This is fresh. This is from 8 hours ago. It was published. Let's see what it is saying. Shares of Snap Inc. Snap plus 2% rose 2% to $15.32 Monday on what proved to be an all-around mixed trading session for the stock market, with the Nasdaq Composite Index comp 0.56 plus rising 0.56% to 16.828.67, and Dow Jones Industrial Average DJIA minus 0.30, falling 0.30% to 38,571.03. Snap Inc. closed $2.58 below its 52-week high. So they had in a space of 52 weeks, their 52-week high for price, the highest price they've maintained for a stock has been $17.90, and yesterday still having outperformed their competitors. They closed their stock price at $15.32. So Snap closed $2.58 before. So it's still its valuation is still okay. It's still nice. $2 is not a big shift as such, which the company achieved on December 18. The stock outperformed some of its competitors Monday as Microsoft fell 0.39% to 413.52. Apple Inc. rose 0.93% to $194 per stock, and Alphabet Inc. Rose 0.39% to $173.17. So, yep, these are some of the competitors. Trading volume 18.0 million, remained 10.3 million below its 50-day average volume of 28.3. Okay, so that's just a snapshot of what Snap has done, kind of like a summary of how they performed yesterday. This is from 8 hours ago. If you're interested in it, go and check out Market Watch. Okay, so let's move on. If there is any more news, I will tell you during the course of the live broadcast. So now let's go to our presentation. Please make sure that you follow. Please make sure that you share. So let's go now. Usually I like to go on the internet, especially MarketWatch is very, very informative. And I'm going to get the latest on anything that you want to look for. And you get updates like these ones that I just had, because they are watching the market, hence their name is Market Watch. So I love that about Snap. They finished off strong. Let's wait how they when they open today and they finish, whether they will move up, nearing the 52-week average high, or they will stay between yesterday's closing price or the 52. We hope they stay in between that space. So let's move on and let's see what we have for you guys. Let's move on there. There we go. Stock market analysis. Important giants in the field of social media. So as you know, they Snap Inc. They are a big player in the social media space, social media sector. They are, of course, the owners of popular social media app Snapchat, not Snapchat, Snapchat. So important giants in the field of social media. The current market value is approximately 24.8 billion US dollars. Okay, its subsidiary application Snapchat, so Spotlight, represent its outstanding position. So Spotlight and Snapchat are the more popular products that are out there that are being used by everybody. Even I have Snapchat, but I seldom use Snapchat here and there. But it's a cool app. I like it. So they currently their market value in the social media sector is approximately worth 24.8 billion US dollars. Okay, so which company is this? I've already told you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's Snap. This is how the flow of our presentation is gonna be like. Snap, a fundamental analysis of the company, technical analysis and financial condition, and then summary. It's just quite a short presentation. So let's go with it, with the flow. Let's see what else is there. I hope you guys can see. I hope you guys can see clearly. Okay, let me minimize my screen so that we get a full view, or let me move let me go up there. Okay, so that's our company profile right now. It's for Snap. So Snap Inc. was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in Venice, California. The company's flagship product, Snapchat, okay, not Snapchat, Snapchat, okay. Burn upon reading. Okay, it's a really cool application. You can add a lot of people there. You can send snaps. Very, very communicative. Obviously, different from your Facebooks and your Instagrams. Snapchat is really, really cool. It's just that I'm a bit older. I do not. What's the word? I do not have time or the passion to go into Snapchat. So there you go. It's an application and cameras designed to help people communicate through video messaging. So so you communicate through video messaging, you send snaps or you record snaps and you send it on your timeline to your friends. Your friends will see it. It's very, very popular. And images. Okay, so use short videos and images. The short videos or images are called snaps, and users of the software refer to themselves as snaps. I actually do have the app here on. For some of you guys who do not know, Snapchat looks like this. Snapchat there. Oh yeah, that is Snapchat, right? Yep. There you go. Snap. Let's see. How many people do I have on Snapchat? Okay, that is my profile. Okay, just give me a second. Yep. There you go. So it's telling me I have so that is Snapchat right there, Snapchat right there. And it's telling me that I have new friends, suggestions and stuff like that. I'm still getting I'm still trying to get around Snapchat. Snapchat. You get a lot of people there lining to be added by me or requesting my I add them or requesting that we become friends. So it's a really cool app. Everybody's on there. I'm rarely doing social media, but because I'm talking about Snap today, I might start to learn about Snapchat. Okay, so yep, on average, 158 million people use Snapchat every day, and over 2.5 billion photos are created. The main function of the Snapchat application is that all photos have a lifespan of 1 to 10 seconds. Okay, after users take photos and send them to their friends, these photos will be automatically destroyed on time according to the user's preset time. Okay, so you can time the longevity or how long you want your snap to be out there or to be seen by your friends. You want it to be seen for a minute, an hour, you want it to be seen for 30 seconds. It's all up to you. You have to put in a preset time. Moreover, if the recipient attempts to take a screenshot during this period, the user will also be notified. Most products start with a flashing cursor on the computer desktop, and the company believes that on most smartphones, the camera screen will become the starting point for most products. This is because the images generated by smartphone cameras contain more content and rich information. So this is just generally Snapchat, what it does, how the app works, how many people are using the app. When it was founded, which is in 2010, 158 million users and 2.5 billion photos being snapped, being shot all over the place at the same time. So just telling you how it works. So let's move on to the next. Are you on Snapchat, guys? Do you use Snapchat? How frequent and how often do you use it? So now let's move on. Let's go somewhere as well. I think I need to further minimize my uh, there. Okay, so now there we go. Let's go there. Let's find out more how to make money easily from Snapchat. So it is a money making tool. It is an income generating tool. Not only social media, but it's also for generating income for those people that might want to pursue earning income via social media. So this is one of Snapchat is one of those avenues on social media that enables you to get paid. Ching ching. Okay, so sponsored content. Brands often pay influencers to promote their products or services. Maybe a big name. You are an influencer. You're gifted in the art of creating content and you've blown up big. So, of course, brands are going to pay you to promote their products and services to attract sponsorship deals. You need a substantial following. Of course, with any other social media, is the same and high engagement rates. Here are steps to get started. Build a following, create engaging, unique, and high quality content consistently. Yes, it's all about consistency. It's all about the content that you create. You create content that people anticipate to watch, or you create content that makes people sleep. Okay, engage with your audience, respond to messages, create interactive content, and foster a community. Okay, so it's like taking care of a child. Okay, reach out to brands when you're big enough. When you trust yourself, when you have confidence, you can reach out to those brands. Obviously, they can see your profile, your work, your engagement, your community, and they might give you a brand. Okay, they might give you a deal, a sponsorship deal. Use platforms like Aspire IQ, Influencity, or direct outreach to brands related to your niche. Okay, so what is your niche? Is your niche sports media? Is your niche business? Is your niche talking about stocks? What are you in? Is your niche video games? Is your niche videography? What is your niche? So definitely, people are out there to consume content. It is also a great avenue for people who want to earn a living or create income to also have that opportunity. Some people want to use it to just have fun. Some people only want to use it. Some people are serious about making money through Snapchat. So Snapchat Spotlight feature allows users to share short, entertaining videos. If your video goes viral, you can earn a significant amount of money. create viral content. That's also the other thing. Focus on trends, challenges, and creating fun videos. It's the same with any other app like use funny videos. Even here on, we have those shorts on YouTube, also on Instagram, those highlight reels. It's the same concept. And also focus on trends, challenges, creative, fun videos, and post regularly to increase your chances of being featured. Okay, so you have to consistently post. Um, so affiliate marketing, promote products or services using affiliate links. When your followers purchase through your links, you earn a commission. Choose a niche. Also, focus on a specific area like fashion, tech, or fitness. Whatever you're good at can be your niche. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Share a sale or specific brand programs, promote products, create content around these products, and include your affiliate links. So in a nutshell, in a snapshot, in a snap, this is how you can make money on Snapchat. So easily said, but the execution part of it, obviously, you have to put a little bit more work into that. Okay, let's move on to the next. So it's just there, guys. If you're watching and you like to make money and social media, you feel like it's your calling, then Snapchat should be one of those avenues that is helping you to earn money or make money. Okay, so now let's go. Let's move on and see what's on the next slide. Okay, it continues as well. Again, I am caught here. Let me move my. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, let me make myself bigger. Okay, so tips for successful tips how to success your Snapchat, to succeed in your Snapchat business, to earn easy money in dollars, understand your audience. These are just tips, so I'll just run through them. I don't want to waste a lot of time on these. Understand your audience, know who your followers are and what they like. That is self-explanatory. Be authentic. Authenticity builds trust, keeps followers engaged. Whatever people want to see, the real you. Okay, use analytics, use Snapchat insights to track your performance and adjust your energy. Analytics are everything. We're in the age of analytics, especially if you're on social media. You have to be logged in with the analytics games, the numbers. Okay, and also stay updated. Keep up with Snapchat's latest features and trends. Like when I opened my Snapchat, I just discovered that I need to update my Snapchat. Okay, so I'll update it later. It's pretty cool actually. um yeah, it's pretty cool. You can really have fun, like it's, Snapchat is crazy, man. I don't want to lie to you, it's fun. And just put them on some faces there. It's a really cool app. I'll learn it if I find time. I'll learn it. Latest features and trends. Sell your own products or services. If you have a product or service to sell, Snapchat can be a great platform to market it. That is what social media is about. It's about being social. It's about socializing with other people. Maybe you have an interesting product and service you might feel like other people need. So social media is that avenue that makes you reach out to even people that you never thought you would reach out to, even reaching out to people you never thought might be in need of a product or a service. So that is good. So create a business account, set up a Snapchat business account. So if you're now serious about business, you gotta set up a Snapchat business account. Okay, make it more professional. Promote your products, use stories, snaps, and ads to showcase your products. Snapchat has got a lot of tools to help you improve your business, help you improve your craft, market, sell, advertise your products in a more professional, legit way. Engage with customers, interact with your audience to build trust and loyalty, which is everything. And also, you've got what? Premium content. Offer exclusive content for a fee. This can be through private Snapchat or subscription services. Set up a payment method. Use platforms like Patreon or OnlyFans to manage subscriptions, promote your premium content, tease exclusive content on your public Snapchat to drive subscriptions. Snapchat ads, if you have a business or service, you can use Snapchat. So basically, this is what just Snapchat has. Okay, I want to get into the more stuff, which is not this one. This is too common. We all know about this one. I'm not going to waste more time with this one, okay? Let's go. There we go. So yeah, this is a graphic. We do have the a vertical, and on the horizontal, we do have some figures there for Q1 14, Q3 14, Q4 source is Snap Inc. Okay, this is directly from Snap Inc. Number of daily active Snapchat users from second quarter 2014 to third quarter 2023 in the millions. Okay, so this is the number of daily users. Of course, those are in the millions. Number of daily users in millions. You can really see that. Okay, so we're starting from way back as should be 2014. Yep, 2014. They were under 100. So it's been incrementally rising up. Okay, the number of users over the years has been going up and up only. Okay, I'm not seeing any dip in daily users here since 2014. Until last year, the numbers have been going up. Started under 100 million, but as of closing of last year, it was just about 400 million users who were using it on a daily basis. As of today, Snap has over 422 million daily active users. So this is important data to show us the improvement, to help us track the progress of the business. It is very, very popular now. I've got a lot of users, 422 million active users. So if you are serious about making money and making a living or a profit by selling goods and services, this is the only comfort that you need, that you have 422 million users in 2024, daily users there. So there is a ton of people out there that can view your content. It's just based on how you're going to craft your content. Okay, now let's move on and see. Okay, fundamental analysis, business cooperation, collaborating with OpenAI for business. In addition to partnering with Amazon, Snap has also partnered with artificial intelligence startup OpenAI to embed ChatGPT-4 with Vision's object recognition software into its smart glass spectacles. Wow, that is a lovely piece of news. Okay, so they partnered with Amazon. They partnered with Amazon before. Now they've partnered with OpenAI, who are the originators of ChatGPT. So we're now on ChatGPT 4 with Vision's object recognition software into smart glasses. Okay, so there's a software that has been rolled out by Snapchat and OpenAI. This is ChatGPT 4. It's got software recognition in your smart glasses. Okay, object recognition. Okay, for in your smart glasses. This collaboration will bring many advantages to Snapchat and spectacles, including enhancing user experience and enhancing advertising effectiveness. So maybe you might get to a point where you start taking your snaps through your spectacles or your glasses. And I actually have a snippet of the article. OpenAI Meta, Microsoft Chase wearable AI. Okay, so AI is developing. You see how products are coming together with technology. They're not going to be separable for much longer. Usually it used to be having all these apps and all these AI functions on your phone. Now we're moving on to AI on your watches, AI on the objects that you wear. Okay, this is how advanced we are in the age of AI. So look out to you. It won't be surprising to find that AI will be in most of the products that we're going to be using or that we wear on our bodies even. Next year's artificial intelligence battle is coming into in focus. Okay, so we're just talking about cooperation. These are big businesses. Of course, they need partners and they need to cooperate with other big businesses and do ventures, right? Fundamental analysis, business cooperation, it still goes on. Collaborating with Google for business. So they collaborate with Google Business. Snap is using Chrome extensions to bring AR filters to Google Chrome. Snapchat camera for Chrome can directly enable AR filters. So you can see the AR filters that are being used there. So when people are on a FaceTime call, there can be a filter just to enhance the video, the FaceTime experience, to make it more fun, to make it more welcome, to make it more funny, to make it more appealing. These are the little things that people like to fall in love with, actually. So Snapchat camera for Chrome can directly enable AR filters for your webcam. Okay, so that is a webcam. So they partnered with Google. So when you're on Snapchat or when you're doing a live video, okay, so those computer generated filters will come out. You can see there's one, Michelle has a frog, and Brent has got like a dinosaur, and Kate has got a cat on top of her, but it's just a filter. And then for Michael, it seems like I don't know what's going on with Michael. Nighttime, I see some lights there. Then you can use them for video calls, live broadcasts. So it's not only video calling, live broadcast as well, like doing a live broadcast, like a live stream, video recording. I think even gaming as well. If you are somebody who is gaming live stream, you'll see all these effects. Unlike previous desktop applications, you need to log in with a Snapchat account to use the relevant filters. Additionally, you can use any custom filters you create yourself. So you can also, it gives you also the possibility and to be more creative and to develop your own filter. Okay, let's go there. Um, excuse me. For a long time, AR lenses For a long time, AR lenses have been the main label of Snapchat. They are one of the main features that help this application stand out. So it's not surprising that Snap is expanding then in as many fields as possible. So let's move on and see what up. Go see what the stocks are saying. Okay, the stock report. Okay, fundamental analysis. So that was more of like a business corporation operations. See what the company's at, who are their partners, what are they doing, what products are they investing in, and the likes. We did see now they're into partnering with Snap spectacle companies to come up with AI software to be able to recognize objects, so it will be put into those glasses, and also generally when you're doing your own video calls. Because remember, Snapchat is a company, their business is propagated, their business foundation is basically photos and videos. Okay, so anything to do with the camera, anything to do with seeing things, they are invested in that. Okay, now let's move forward. Business corporation, new products, new features, new technologies, launch AR expansion function. AR filters can appear on all advertising pages. Okay, I'm yet to see this, but I have got to look for it out. You guys, give me a second. I constantly have to move this camera. So there are new products with new features and new technologies, okay, because they're working with some of the big companies like your Googles, and they're also working with the Chat GTP parent company, okay. Launch AR expansion function. So let's see, Snap made its debut at the New Fronts Digital Marketing Conference in New York with the theme of more Snapchat. announcing a series of new advertising tools, products, tools, and important collaboration, including the launch of AR extensions, new AR and machine learning tools, and the 523 Creator Acceleration Program to help brands and advertisers better reach 420. Okay, brands and advertisers better reach 422 million Snapchat global daily users, active users. The newly launched AR expansion features allows advertisers to integrate AR special effect lenses and filters into all Snap advertising products. Okay, so that is more on the business front, what they are doing, the new technologies, new features, and new products to look out for if you're a Snapchat user, or if you are like me, you didn't really know much about Snapchat, you might have it. There are some new features. Go check them out and kindly sign up to make some money, okay? Now let's move on. Let's see what else do we have here. Guys, how are you doing? Make sure that you like, make sure that you stay. New AI feature for Snapchat to make money easy. Okay, so we're in the business of making money. You want to know how to make money on Snapchat? Okay, let me tell you how you can make that money, okay? Okay, maybe I can put it here. Yeah, maybe put it here. So let's see how you can make money on Snapchat easily. New products, new features, new technologies, research on machine learning and automation technology. Snapchat has recently launched an innovative AI feature designed to simplify the process of making money on the platform. This new feature, okay, powered by AI, leverages advanced artificial intelligence to provide personalized content recommendations and marketing strategies tailored to individual users. By analyzing user behavior, preferences, and engaging patterns, so as you use the app, as you open certain pages, as you go to watch certain things, the apps, the algorithm or the AI algorithm will keep this in the cloud and suggest to you, okay, because sort of like analyzing your behaviors. So by analyzing user behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns, the AI suggests optimal times for posting, identify trending topics, and even automates responses to enhance interaction with followers. Yes, social media um, is a vast business. Their analytics, there is more behind social media or being on social media or publishing content on social media. Like, yes, there are times you should be posting, okay, and there are times you shouldn't be posting, okay, and it differs from app to app. It differs from app to app. Maybe Facebook differs from how you use Twitter differs from how you use YouTube differs from how you use Instagram, and even Snapchat. So the AI becomes now very important. It suggests to you the proper time because it wants you to be successful. Remember, you're in it for the business. It wants you to be successful. So it wants you to be posting at certain times where people are active, where people are on Snapchat, or maybe when a certain demographic or a certain age group that maybe might be interested in your content or whatever you're advertising or whatever you're selling, when they are online, that would be the time to post, okay, to post something or make a snap. So that is really intelligent and clever. Also suggests to you trending topics, even automates responses to enhance interaction with followers. So maybe you might not be there to speak to people. Maybe people want to talk to you. So the AI will respond to people on your behalf, okay? If they make inquiries, if you are doing a business on Snapchat. Additionally, it offers tools for creating high quality, engaging content quickly. Speed is everything on social media, and precision as well. Engaging content quickly, helping users increase their reach and attract potential sponsors, okay? With built-in analytics and performance tracking, Snapchat AI feature empowers users to optimize their monetization efforts, making it easier than ever to generate income through the platform. Okay. Snap has also, so Snapchat is really doing a lot. Okay. They're really doing a lot. Apart from just thinking it's an app, they are doing a lot of innovation, working with a lot of AI companies, some AI, enhancing some AI features, incorporating AI into business solutions and business strategy for earning money on Snapchat. So that is good. So for all people, because most people just think Snapchat is for fun and taking videos, making things that are amusing and fun, which is still good, but there are business opportunities also available on Snapchat. Okay, got two people watching, guys. Please say hello in this comment section. Are you enjoying the live broadcast? I hope you are. Okay, let me continue. Let me move on with the live broadcast. Okay, very soon we're gonna get to the part that I advertised, that I talked about in my title about stocks and all that stuff. Okay, so let's go. Additional offers tools for creating high quality engaging content. I already said that. Snap has always been committed to machine learning and automation technology research, continuously simplifying the AR material creation process. At present, Snap has shown in the time for large scale creation of AR trying try on materials which can help brands directly convert 2D product catalogs into virtual trial experience. That is good. In addition, with the support of ML face effects technology, brands can also use generative AI technology. Let's move on. So many features there. If you need this presentation, guys, please tell me. I will give it to you. Okay. So this is more fundamental analysis and other collaborations. So we're just talking about collaborations and um, partners, collaborations, new products, and the likes. So there you go. Other collaborations carry out the 523. We've already spoken about that. Acceleration program to promote collaboration between brands, niche content creators, driven by the shared vision of empowering niche content creators. So it's still on content creating. Okay, so for those that are content creators, there is something that Snapchat is doing for you. They're rolling out new programs and new products and new business solutions so that if you are on Snapchat and you want to create money or a livelihood or earn money, you can do it in a more intelligent and easy way using AI. So they're incorporating an AI into their business model. AI makes it easier. You know, Chat GPT, if you've been on Chat GPT, makes everything so easy. So launch sports events, okay, and bring innovative marketing experience through multiple approaches. In preparation for the 2024 Paris Olympics, Snap collaborated with NBC Universal to bring immersive AR experiences to the Olympics. Highly popular creators on the Snapchat platform, such as Livy Dune, Harry Josie, and others, will be present on site to bring exciting reports to Snapchat users from their unique perspective. Snap also announced the renewal of contracts for top tier events such as the Women's National Basketball League, the WNBA, and the National Basketball Professional League, okay, the National Basketball Association, the NBA, and the National Football League, okay, National Football League, further consolidating. Okay, so the Women's National Basketball Association, the National Basketball Association, so NBA, NFL, and WNBA. So they've renewed contracts with these sports leagues, further consolidating the partnership in sports events. In addition, Snapchat will also launch the sports channel Snap Sports. Wow, I should check that out. Snap Sports Network, in which brands can participate through sponsorship, product placement, and other means. So they are really doing a lot, Snapchat. You can see, especially now, they will be at the Summer Olympics in Paris. They are trying to expand, break into sports, because sports is a major and it's a big market. So that is good business positioning on their part. So, in a nutshell, we're just talking about their business cooperations and their partners, something for you guys who use Snapchat to be looking forward to in the near future, and also new inventions and new features so that when you're now using the products or Snapchat, you know that you're going to have an enjoyable, seamless user experience. Now, let's move on and see what else do we have. Okay, we have more business cooperations. Fundamental analysis. Let me adjust my little camera here. Okay, so there you go. These are all collaborations, collaboration with Live Nation to launch Snap Nation. Okay, they also it's a sports network, Snap Nation, creating an enhanced live music experience. So they're now investing in sports, they're investing in music. Snapchat collaborates with live entertainment company Live Nation to launch Snap Nation, providing Snapchat users with a music experience previously only available on Live Nation. So it's Live Nation to Snap Nation. Enjoy some music while you're on the platform through Snap Nation's brand homepage. Users can watch exclusive behind the scenes performances of celebrities and experience the magical charm brought to live music. Okay, overseas users in China, Snap has served thousands of overseas enterprises with its continuously growing global user base. So they are also big in China. Everybody is big in China nowadays. Okay, that is where the money is at. Everybody wants a piece of the Chinese economy. Okay, so Snap, like any other person, they gotta go to. They cannot ignore such a big and vibrant market like China, which is good. Snap has served thousands of overseas enterprises with its continuously growing global user base, comprehensive social marketing solutions for acquaintances, and industry leading AR technology and ecosystem. The series of new features and tools released at the New France Digital Marketing Conference in New York have further upgraded Snap's marketing solutions and will also help Chinese brands and advertisers achieve new growth in overseas markets. Definitely, Chinese want to reach out to overseas markets, to overseas customers. So, Snap is going to be sort of like a conduit for that with so many other products that they're going to come up with. Okay, let's talk a bit about their income, revenue, and income. Let's go. So we do have a snapshot there of an article. Dentsu forecast 2024 global ad spends to grow by 4.6% and defines a new era of brand investment metrics. So in 2024, the demand for digital advertising is expected to accelerate, and this trend is expected to support the entire advertising industry's unexpected revenue growth. So revenue growth is growing in advertisement, especially on digital advertising and on digital platforms. Due to the demand in the advertising market, advertising prices across the industry have risen, and the relative returns of Snap's advertising department have also improved, which will result in Snap's outstanding revenue growth performance in 2024. Guggenheim further predicts that Amazon's ambition and expansion of partnerships will inject new growth momentum into Snap's advertising business, enhancing the pricing power of the entire platform. This enhances Snap's competitiveness in the fierce advertising market. So, yep, they're in advertising. Now let's check out that one, technical analysis. Okay, the company's stock has increased by nearly 8 times from March 2020 to October 2021. So you can see there, guys, at the beginning, that is when the stock is first issued, and that is the valuation of the price. And the figure that you see, 4820, that is the lowest the price has hit, and the 83.340, that is the highest the price has hit. That is the highest pricing for that. The company stock has increased by nearly 8 times. Okay, 8 times from March 2020 to October 2021, in just over a year. It can be seen as a true bull market. Okay, because bull markets going up. Okay, so maybe you do not want to sell. Okay, you want to hold it because valuation is still going up. That is all up to you. Let's see. After the experiencing a major decline in the later period, okay, in the later period, so you can see in the later on the graph, later period, there's been a decline ever since it hit that high of $83.340. It hit that high and it declined. It's been declining. The stock price bottomed out in 2022, and it is currently in a period of sideways fluctuations in the box market. So yeah, stocks kind of depleting or depreciating the price. It can be seen that institutional funds are attracting funds, and the current upward trend is gradually emerging. Okay, that is just a nice little graphic we have for you there. Now let's see short-term opportunity. There we go. So after experiencing a decline at the beginning of the year, there was effective support around $10 and suppression around $17, causing stock price to fall. There you go. Currently, we can wait for the stock price to fall back to around $14 and $12 to consider buying low. So the only point of you buying low is when it goes between $14 and $12. Right now, it's currently valued at the price as of yesterday. The stock is at $15.32. That was Monday yesterday. It rose, the price rose to $15.32. So it could have closed. I just do not have information of how it closed. Okay, let me see here. I'll show you guys day high, day low. So day high and day low. So day low was $15.11 and day high was $15.44. Okay, day high was $15.44. Day low was $15.11 yesterday. I'm actually looking at the figures. So it opened, the stock opened at a price of $15.37 and it recorded a low of $15.11, and it had a high of $15.44, and then it closed at $15.32. So it opened at $15.37. Yep. So there you go. Exactly. So by closing, when it rose to 1532, it closed there. So yeah, there was just an upward movement there, about around 2% or so increment in the price. A market cap for this company is 25.14 billion. Okay, and the volume of stocks that were traded on Monday is 18.04 million. Okay, this is information I'm getting from snapinc.stock, Market Watch. I mean, it's from Market Watch. It's very, very convenient. I can just go and point on a figure and everything is coming out. Okay, so there you go. That is really good from Snap. Okay, its competitors are let me see the other indexes here as well. Okay, so pretty good. Let's see today. So it closed yesterday, guys. It closed at what, 1532 on a Monday. So maybe today when it opens, it will open at 1532. We're yet to see what the valuation will be, but we are telling you that currently wait for the stock price. So there is anticipation that the stock price may fall to $14 and even $12 to consider buying low. So when you get it, if it goes, because prices are averaging in 15 above $15, 15.31, 15.48, 15.32, somewhere there. But when it drops to 14, that could be a comfortable price for you to buy these stocks, or even $12. And we will need some data though to really show how the stock has performed recently. So let's go there. So you do see there are some price declines there as well. You can see you got some really nice graphic there. So you can see there the the lowest price has gone for has been around 12, yes, and the highest price has been above 17. Okay, also trying to see. Okay, there we go. So it's been steady though. I love the graph, especially you can really see the price rising until it gets all the way to 17, and then it declines and it comes down, and then it rises again. It goes up again to just over $16. So it's been performing really well. Just seems like it's been declining. Not sure where it might land. Maybe it might land at that $14 mark that we're talking about, or $12 if you do want to buy. Okay, so be patient if you want to invest in such a stock. There is more in store for you. Okay, now let's move on. Let's see what's going on there. Technical analysis and financial condition. We already spoke about Snap quarterly revenue. Okay, let's take a look at the quarterly revenue. What is the quarter? What can we do? Deduct from this, so you can see financial condition and target price. So you can see quarter one we have all the way from 2015, and you have volumes revenue in its millions. 2015 there wasn't as significant, but I am more impressed with 2021. Fourth quarter of 2021, it did record a billion. Okay, that is a billion there. Okay, a billion quarterly revenue. That was big, and it hasn't yet reached that. So what happened in 2021? As it could be COVID related, I'm not really sure, but that is a very, very drastic jump, because if you compare with the other bars, even to this day, even with more users, we are yet to reach that revenue of almost close to 1.5, if I'm not mistaken, 16 billion, almost 16 billion. Yes, almost 16 billion. Annual revenue of 19 billion, demonstrating outstanding performance compared to Meta, the dominant social media player. Of course, Meta, they own Facebook, Meta own WhatsApp, Meta own Instagram, they own others as well. They are the big player. Snap represents a unique market share and influence, and its potential value may far exceed its current market value. Okay, so its potential, it's got a potential. Remember, we did speak of potential value versus market value. Current market value could be here. When we spoke about growth investing and value investing, I did speak on this, that sometimes you look at the value, as sometimes a product or a price or a stock may be undervalued, but because you understand business and investment, you might buy it because it's undervalued, with the anticipation that it will exceed the current undervaluation. So this is the same with this one. Okay, its potential value may far exceed its current market value. So for people who are value investors, they might take this as a good opportunity to say, look, we're not going to look at the market value, but we're going to look at the potential that the product can reach. Okay, so they're more looking at the potential of of the potential value that they can have and they can invest. The continuous improvement in the financial aspects has created a strong foundation for significant stock price growth in 2024. Like we just did tell you guys, stock yesterday, it closed at what price? It closed at, which is the highest actually. It closed at a price of, yep, it closed the highest actually. It closed at 1532 yesterday. So it's an improvement for this stock, for Snap stock. It's a breath of fresh air. Okay, so there you go. North America, Europe, rest of the world. So obviously North America, this is where they are headquartered. It also has got something to do with the culture. So North America constitute for 812 million, okay? Europe, 161 million. And then the rest of the world is 155 million. Okay, we will look out for China. I'm sure China will be adding itself in that if Snap properly markets in the Chinese market. I'm sure. But the thing with China now is there are other Chinese players in China. So maybe foreign social media, they might have a bunch of their own media that they like there. Okay, so but still, from the rest of the world, there's enough revenue. But do you see the gap between what North America is just producing? So North America, it would be America, Canada. I think those are the two major big players in North America. And then Europe, you see like the rest of the world and Europe combined, I think they can get into North America's value 2 times, okay? So that's 128 million, 1 billion 128, okay, million. So gross profit of 662 million and cost of revenue, which is 476 million. Operating expenses, they go all the way up to yeah, exactly. That should be one. Yeah, that should be 1 billion, I think. Yeah, it's 1 billion. Operating loss, 435 million. Come on, guys, business is not easy, okay? Operating loss, 435 million in losses, in operating losses. Research and development, how much do they put in research and development? Some 564 million. Oh my God. Sales and marketing, 270. General and admin. So even just staying afloat, operating this business, it attracts a lot of operating expenses and operating costs. Okay, it's even though they have an annual revenue of 19 billion, they a lot goes into creating that 19 billion. And then right now, I just gotta break it down so that you guys see that yes, it's not only 19 billion in terms of profits, it's revenue that has been created, and here you're just dividing it and subtracting it and see how it's properly used. Okay, so context is also really important, but I'm sure they are going to be doing well considering all those new products and all those new partnerships they are coming with those new products and new solutions. I'm sure they are coming on really, really well. Okay, let's go there. Let's first quarter 2024 financial report, financial condition and target price. Okay, financial report for the first quarter 2024. The report shows that the company's revenue in the first quarter increased by 21% year on year. That is really good, to 1.195 billion, with a net loss of 305 million compared to 329 million in the previous year. Okay, so it means that they had a net loss. They had a larger net loss last year than the one they've had this year. No matter, so that means that the revenue for this year has increased. Okay, the adjusted EBITDA revenue was 46 million compared to 1 million in the previous year. That is a big jump. The global daily active user data of its visual communication application Snapchat reached 422 million a year-on-year increase of 10%. Okay, so daily users have increased by 10% from last year to this year. Target price: financial services company Guggenheim is confident in Snap's future performance, raising its rating from neutral to buy, and significant raising its target price from $9 to $23. So these are other players and other industry experts. Now, Wells Fargo, let's see what Wells Fargo is saying. So Guggenheim telling us to buy, neutral and buy. Target price, they've raised it from $9 to $23. Wells Fargo raised Snap's target price from $16 to $18, which is more reasonable. $16 to $18 more reasonable, considering where the price is now, where the stock price is playing at the moment, where it is valued at the moment, maintaining an increase in holdings rating. Okay, so hold on to it. Okay, hold on to it. Raymond James reaffirms Snap US rating from better than the overall market adjustment to better than the overall market rating, and adjusts target prices from $15 to $16. I do not know Guggenheim. I do not know what they are seeing, but I think these ones, Wells Fargo and Raymond James, are almost close to where we are. They're not so far-fetched, considering the available information and the current pricing of the stock and how it's performing. Definitely it will stay within that range, that 16-18 range, or that 15-16 range. It might be there, it might play there. We're yet to hear what the stock has today. Also, I have something, if I'm not mistaken, I have updated news about the stock. Let me just uh, let me just okay. I do have something in my phone, like breaking news. Okay, it's gonna take long. I opened it though, but I don't know what's happening. Okay, I'll put it down that down later. Mm. Okay, Snap. Okay, Snap not reaching the safe buying price at 12 to 14. Suggested buying price for Snap. These are improvements. These are updates. Suggested buying price for Snap. It's not reaching the safe buying price. So safe buying price is $12 to $14. A maximum increase after recommendations or suggested buying price. After recommendation, rise above 2%. Recommended date, it's today. And operating suggestions. Okay, what do we suggest? Can maintain attention or hold. Let's see. Okay. Or hold in the medium to long term. Hold in the medium to long term. Okay, that is so. Yeah, if you're gonna buy, you should wait for between $12 to $14. They're about that range. You can buy. Okay. Right now, just watch the stock grow. There's nothing wrong with that. So where we Snap? What is it doing? Oh my God. So in a nutshell, guys, that is what Snap has for us. Very lively, very entertaining, very something with a lot of information, guys. We'll see you in the next live stream. Okay, see ya.